Hey, this is Levi and you are here to ace your learning. Ready? Let's go. This is the math you need for exams but probably forgot. In this video, we'll be covering the words, all of the important terms you need that you'll see on your question sheet. Now, before we begin, remember that whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're probably right. So well done for showing up and showing that you believe you can. Now, the first term we have is expression. This is any mix of numbers, variables, and/or operations. For example, 4x plus 3 minus x. An equation. This is two expressions separated by an equal to sign, which is the two lines, and then on either side we have expressions. An inequality, this is two expressions that are not equal. In other words, one has a bigger value than the other one. So what this example is saying is that 4x plus 3 minus x is greater than 8 minus 3x. Terms. These are any numbers or variables separated by a plus or a minus sign. So take note that the term includes the plus or minus sign. So for example, minus 3x is a term. Variable. This is an alphabet letter representing an unknown number. So x is a common variable, and what it's saying is that we do not know the numeric or number value of x, so we're just going to call it x. Coefficient. This is a number in front of the variable. So in our example, what is the coefficient of x? It's going to be 4. A constant value. This is a number without a variable. Now, if you bear in mind that a variable is a letter, alphabet letter that has a specific numeric value we don't know, a constant is saying, hey, this number is just going to stay constant in its value because it doesn't have any variables next to it. Now it's your turn. Pause the video right here and then label each of these as an expression, equation, or inequality. You can pause the video now. And how did you do? Here are your answers. If you did not understand your answers, then rewind and watch this video until you do. All right, now it's your turn again. Try this one. Name the numbered parts of this equation. A tip for you is to write down and number your answers. So write the number 1, 2, 3 down, and then write the specific parts of this equation. Now remember that the different values are next to different signs or variables, so make sure to keep in mind what the box is indicating before writing down your answer. And how did you do? Again, if you didn't understand your answers, rewind and rewatch this video until you do. Now, the next few words describe the answers to specific types of math problems. A sum is the answer to an addition question. So, for example, 8 plus 2 equals 10, and so 10 is your sum. The difference is the answer to a subtraction question. So, for example, 8 minus 2 equals 6, 6 is your difference. The quotient is the answer to a division question. So for example, 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and 4 is your quotient. Then finally, the product is the answer to a multiplication question. So 8 times 2 equals 16, and 16 is your product. Now try and test your knowledge. So what's the correct name for the answer to each of these questions? Pause the video here, give it a try. So, how did you do? If you did not understand your answers, remember to rewind and rewatch this until you do. I really hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, please share it on. Also, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any new uploads from me. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, stay safe and take care.